Welcome to this Run to Endure video, which takes you through the elements you need to consider when stepping up from a 10k to a 10-mile race. The elements we discuss in this video are training requirements, injuries and illnesses, nutrition, running kit, and mindset. The 10 miles is a unique distance with less races than the 10k and a half marathon. It can act as a stepping stone to those looking to step up to the half marathon. It demands a mixture of speed and endurance. The training demands for 10 miles compared to shorter distances will involve more of a focus on endurance. The exact training will depend upon the individual runner's aim. If after stepping up from the 10k, your aim is to just run the distance rather than going for a specific time, then focus your training on upping the mileage gradually. An error many runners make is they increase frequency and mileage too rapidly and end up getting ill or injured. It is best to stick to the 10% rule, i.e., step up your weekly mileage by around 10% each week. For a 10-mile race, more regular running is key. Try to aim to run 4 times per week and have your long run on the Sunday to replicate race day. An example race week may look like the below. To motivate yourself to keep up with training, choose a new running route or run with others. What to do if you get injured or ill? The key thing to do is to prevent getting ill or injured in the first place. Eating healthily, not overtraining, and ensuring adequate rest and sleep will help. If you do happen to get ill or injured, then firstly, don't panic. Adapt your training as required. Cross training, such as cycling or swimming, will help ease joints whilst keeping up aerobic fitness. Nutrition. The step up from a 10k to 10 miles means nutrition becomes more important. A 10 miles demands more energy and hydration for muscles to work efficiently than a 10k. Some runners may benefit from carrying gels during a 10 miles effort. Hydration is also key, as you are likely to be out on the road for quite a while. Ensure you take, during training, a bottle of water to help you stay hydrated and those muscles to be as efficient as possible. Running kit. The choice of running kit becomes more important the longer the race. You are going to be out on the road for longer, so ensure you wear running kit that is comfortable. Try to factor in the likely weather. If it is a winter race, take extra layers with you to wear, both before the race and during, so as not to waste energy trying to stay warm. A hat and gloves are essential if running a winter race. Some crucial advice is to dress for the second mile, as you are going to get hot. In terms of footwear choice for 10 miles, these could be the same ones you wear for 10k, but you need to ensure they are comfortable. Mindset. It is important that before stepping up to a 10-mile race, you ensure you follow the process rather than state, I need to win or get X amount of time or need to run non-stop. You need to look at what you need to do to win the race or get your specific time or run it non-stop and do the training required to get that result. Also, identify different scenarios. What do you do if these happen on race day? For example, what happens if you wake up on the race day with a bad knee, a tight hamstring, a dicky stomach, etc.? Plan what you will do if this happens. If you've experienced any of these in training, you can tell yourself you have got through this before. Also, during a race, as long as a 10 miles, it is important to have a mental mindset which looks backwards. What you've done or achieved so far and state, I've run 3 miles. This is a positive, rather than I still have 7 miles to go, which can be seen as a negative. If the distance is new, try to break it down into smaller chunks. For example, 5k chunks with a little bit at the end to finish.